Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich. Sandwich or sandwich? I don't know. Comment below. Okay, so what you need first is bread. This is white bread. Okay, and you start off with mayonnaise. Thin, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of taste. And that is done. That is all you need. Okay. Now, you can probably make this sandwich really quick, but because I'm in no rush and I'm explaining everything, I need to think twice as hard because us men can't multitask. Okay, so I'm taking the salami and I'm slicing it, and the reason why I'm doing so is because when it's in the sandwich you bite it so it wouldn't drag the whole piece out. It just breaks to whatever you bite on, so you don't ruin your sandwich by biting into it and just dragging the middle of the sandwich out. Okay, so that's all you need. Beautiful salami. Okay, next we got tomato, ketchup or tomato sauce. Next we got cucumber, standard cucumber. Just release it out of his coat and wash it, because you never knew how it was handled before you got to this stage. Okay, so got this, I'll have that. Thank you very much. And depending on the how many sandwiches you do, cut the cucumber as much as you need, then place it like that, with keeping in mind that you're gonna cut your sandwich right there, because it's gonna be too big to handle, so you wanna cut it there, and you don't want bits of cucumber getting in the way and falling out. So place it with already keeping in mind that it's gonna be cut in the middle. Same with the other products. Okay, so now we've got ham, and I'll be using honey roast ham, already sliced up. Don't know how much ham is in it, but never mind. Okay, so you perfectly see, perfect. That's perfect coverage. So now you go for this guy, which is tomato or tomato. Sounds different, but it is the same. Okay, slice it. Not too thin, not too thick. The thickness of an average sandwich. Don't know what that is. Again, place it with keeping in mind that you cut your sandwich in half after it's done. These are going into my mouth. Okay, now what do we have here? Another layer. The sandwich is becoming more manly by the second. Okay, what else could we put on here? We've got tomato. Okay, we could do with a bit of that, which is pickled gherkin. Don't know how people pronounce it. Slice it thinnish, 2-3 mil thin slices, because we don't want it too thick, because it's very slippery and it might ruin your sandwich, might slide out. Okay, again, keeping in mind you're gonna cut it in two. There we are, beautiful. Now you can go again with ham, and you can go over and over and over until it's a tower up to here, but in this instance, pepperoni at the bottom, 1 ham, 2 ham, there's going to be more ham, this will be enough. So to close off the sandwich, you will need Chinese leaf. And what I do is, of course, wash it. There we are, nicely washed. And then these I'm going to use for the next sandwich I'm going to do. Cut it to the length of the sandwich, there somewhere, like that. And then you can either leave it or cut this bit out. It's edible. It's not like it's poison or doesn't taste good. It tastes the same as the leaf. And I sometimes leave it like that. I sometimes cut it for a neater finish of the sandwich. So I'll show you like this. So you put one leaf there. No, one leaf there. And one leaf there. And now you can either add ketchup or mayo or whatever to your taste. I'm usually adding a little bit of both. It makes like a very nice sauce in your mouth. There we are. And then finish off with a little bit of ham again, which ties everything together nicely. Okay, and you can, or I will, for a little bit of extra moist. There we are, and the sandwich is done. It's that easy. You can make it quicker, you can make it in a second when you're doing those for years. And now what you do is cut, and that is ready to bite into. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. Hopefully I'll do another one if you ask me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.